Uy! Nandiyan na pala kayo! Salamat at sinamahan nyo kami ngayong hapon. Ako nga pala si Mark Louis B. Apan from Bsie 1A at inaanyayahan ko po kayo ngayon to join us or our EduTech webinar entitled Techie na ngayon, pati sa edukasyon. Sama ka na, sama na tayo! Ako nga po pala muli si Mark Louis B. Apan and together with my, syempre, mga speakers ko, Yoshebel Adsuara, Mark Louis Apan, of course, that's me, and Kyla May Ignacio, and Mark Joseph Villaflor. To formally start our program, may we call in our first speaker, Mr. MJ Villaflor, to discuss the technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Mark Joseph Villaflor from Bsie 1A. First, what is technology? Technology is the thing that created by human to make our lives more easier. The widespread usage of internet and cell phone not only offers a variety of accessible communication but also serves as a powerful tool in learning. So, napakalaking tulong talaga ng internet at ng cellphone sa hindi lang sa pakipagkomunikasyon, kundi pati na rin sa pag-aaral natin, katulad ngayon na hindi pa pwedeng mag face to face dahil meron pa tayong pandemya o meron pa tayong ECQ na pinapatupad. At napakalaking tulong talaga ng internet at o cellphone dahil sa pamamagitan nito ay tayo ay nakapagklase kahit tayo ay nasa bahay lang o kaya ay natututo tayo kahit nandito lang tayo sa bahay. Technologies is being used more not only in administrative duties but also in the instruction of students. Gamit natin yung technology hindi lang sa administrative duties kundi pati na rin magagamit na rin natin ito sa pagtuturo. Halimbawa, pwede na tayo magturo gamit ang cellphone. I-download lang natin yung Zoom, Google Meet. Doon pwede na tayo makapag-klase. At pwede na rin tayo makapagbigay ng mga activity gamit ang Facebook kung gagawa tayo ng FB group o kaya sa Google Classroom. I-post mo lang doon tapos pwede na yun ma-download ng mga estudyante at pwede silang matuto at magbasa at magsagot ng mga activity ipapagawa ng mga estudyante. Next is technology is being used in the assessment of students. So sabi ko nga kanina na gamit ang mga application na halimbawa yung Google sa Facebook, yung pwede tayong gumawa ng group doon, pwede tayong mag-post ng mga documents na pwede, mga activity na pwede nating ipagawa sa mga estudyante natin o kaya sa Google Classroom na pwede ipopost lang din natin doon yung mga activity na gusto natin ipagawa sa mga estudyante natin at pwede na rin nilang i-submit yung mga sagot nila doon gamit yung mga application na yun. At meron pang marami pang mga application na pwede natin magamit bukod dun sa dalawang application na sinabi ko.
For our next speaker, may we call in Miss Kyla May Ignacio to discuss educational technology.
Thank you, Sir Mark Louis Apan, and now I'm going to report about educational technology. What is educational technology? Educational technology is combined use of computer hardware, software, and educational theory and practice to facilitate learning. It is a field of study that investigates the process of analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating the instructional environment and learning materials in order to improve teaching and learning. It is important to keep in mind that the purpose of educational technology is to improve education. We must define the goals and needs of education first, and then we use all our knowledge, including technology, to design the most effective learning environment for students. Teachers also need to seriously consider how these newer materials can affect what and how we learn and teach. Online education. Online education has been a new way of learning and acquiring a degree in some developed countries. It gives students an option known as distant learning. The introduction of virtual learning environment gives an interactive form of education. This is a web-based presentation of visual or pictorial image which can demonstrate and teach different concepts. Ang online education ay isang plataporma ng pag-aaral kung saan ay dinadao sa pamamagitan ng paggamit sa internet. At ang estudyante ay di na kailangan pang lumabas ng bahay upang magtungo ng personal sa klase at makaharap ang guro at ang mga kamag-aral.
For our third speaker, our president, may we call in Yoshibel Adsuwara discussing educational platforms.
So thank you, Sir Mark Louis, for your wonderful introduction. It's very overwhelming. So, by the way, good day, everyone. So I will be now discussing some educational platforms that a teacher and a student can use. So let's begin. So we have first here is Edmodo. Edmodo is an educational technology company offering a communication, collaboration, coaching platform, and Zoom video conferencing tools to students and teachers. So, etong Edmodo is parang Google Classroom na pwedeng mag-share ng content, ng lessons, pwedeng mag-distribute ng quizzes, assignments. Yun nga lang, ang pinagkaiba nila ni Google Classroom is dito sa Edmodo, ang pwede din ditong mag-sign in yung parents nyo. So, pwedeng ma-monitor ng parents nyo yung mga activity nyo sa loob ng klase nyo. So, next is we have Google Classroom. Yes. It aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. So, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, yung Edmodo and Google Classroom is halos same lang. Pero, ang pinagkaiba lang naman ni Google Classroom kay Edmodo is si Google Classroom, integrated siya with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Dahil diba sa Google Classroom, pag merong halimbawa sinend na file si teacher is pwede kang dun na mismo magsagot, pwede mong dun i-edit kung it is i-document, pwede mo din doon i-edit kung PowerPoint yun. Then, after mong ma-edit doon mismo sa Google Docs is, pwede mo na siyang i-submit diretso kay teacher. Google Classroom helps students and teachers organize student work, boost collaboration, and foster better communication. So, yung Google Classroom din is integrated with Gmail and Calendar into a cohesive platform to manage student and teacher communication. So, next is we have Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform that makes it easy to create, share, and play learning games or trivia quizzes in minutes. So, it is a user-generated multiple-choice quizzes that can be accessed via web browser or the Kahoot app. It can be used to review students' knowledge for formative assessment or as a breakdown for traditional classroom activities. And next, we have Socrative. Yan. Socrative, I think lahat na tayo na-try na natin kung Socrative. Socrative is a cloud-based student response system developed in 2010. It allows teachers to create simple quizzes that students can take quickly. So, dalawa yung Socrative app na meron. Yung isa for teachers, then yung isa for students. So, kung merong ipapa-activity si teacher, so kailangan niyang mag-login doon sa Socrative app for teachers and pwede siyang mamili doon kung ano yung ipapa-quiz niya, like pwedeng multiple choice, pwedeng short essays, ayun. So, next, we have Quizzes. Quizzes is a creativity software company used in class, group works, pre-test review, exams, unit tests, and impromptu tests. Quizzes is a quiz-style teaching and learning method where a user answers questions in a series independently and contents with other users on the same quiz. It is also able to find and create gamified quizzes, lessons, and others. So, next is we have Flipgrid. Ayan, ito pa, isa pa to na try na nating magamit to, and I bet lahat tayo ay may memories dito kay Flipgrid. So, Flipgrid is a website that allows teachers to create grids to facilitate video discussion. So, each grid is like a message board where teachers can post questions called topics, and their students can post video responses that appear in a tiled grid display. So, dito sa Flipgrid, merong ipopost na topic si teacher. Then, para makita yung reaction ng student or kung ano man yung gusto niyang i-share, a student will create a video response. So, ang maximum doon is 2 minutes. So, doon sa video na yon, pwede mo siyang i-edit bago mo siya i-pass. Then, next is we have the Zoom. Yes, familiar na tayong lahat dito sa Zoom. Zoom helps students and teachers to meet in a frictionless environment to get more done. It has easy, reliable cloud platform for video, voice, content sharing, and chat runs across mobile devices, desktops, telephones, and room systems. So, lahat na tayo familiar kay Zoom. Then, next, we have the Google Meeting. It is a video communication service that allows students and teachers to have real-time meetings. It has two-way and multi-way audio and video calls with a resolution up to 722 pixels and allows screen sharing. So, Google Meeting and Zoom, halos parehas lang sila na pwede tayong mag-video conferencing for this time, flexible learning. So, ang pinagkaiba nga lang nila is si Zoom kasi, mas maganda yung features niya dahil pag halimbawa, free plan ka lang ni Zoom, pwede kang ng participants mo over 100 participants in a 40-minute maximum na time. So, kung hindi ka naman free plan user, kung premium user ka, pwede kang makapag-invite ng participants mo 100 and up. And yung limit mo doon sa wala ka palang limit dun sa Zoom na pwede mong gamitin. While the Google Meeting kasi, ang hindi nga lang maganda sa Google Meeting is 49 persons lang yung pwede mong isala sa meeting. And si Google Meeting, hindi maganda yung features niya na once na na-admit ka na nung una doon sa meeting. Bawa, na-admit na ako ng host doon sa meeting. Then, na-disconnect ako din. Gusto ko ulit bumalik. Hindi na, kumbaga, kusa ka nang mapabalik ulit sa meeting. Unlike sa Zoom na pag na-admit ka nung una tapos na-leave ka sa meeting, then bumalik ka ulit, is kailangan muna ng permission ng host. And one thing na, ang advantage naman ng Google Meeting is maliit lang siya kumain ng data. Unlike sa Zoom na malaki siya kumain ng data. Pero kasi dahil nga madami yung participants na na-show ng Zoom, so siguro yun din yung dahilan kung bakit masyadong malaki yung data na nakakain niya. Unlike sa Google Meet na 49 persons lang yung tinatanggap kada meeting. So, I hope guys na madami kayong natutunan dito sa discussion ko. Thank you! And for our last speaker, may we call on Sir Mark Louis Apan for his topic, Current Census here in the Philippines.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction para sa akin. Oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed, Char. For my topic, we have current census here in the Philippines. The current census of household with internet access or connection in the Philippines is now 30%. Yes, you may heard it right na 30% lang sa buong Pilipinas ang merong home access sa internet and other gain access through public rentals. And yung iba naman ay bumibili na lang ng mga mobile data subscription for 3 a week, it depends. Ngayon, Filipinos in the current survey of Pulse Asia has the greatest number of users and the ever-growing social websites known as Facebook and Instagram. In contrary, konti lang sa atin yung merong internet access na mga bahay. But then, mayroong tayo pa yung nangunguna sa Facebook and Instagram. Alam ko din na tayo talaga, madami tayong ini-spend na oras sa ating mga cellphones and to be honest, sa ating social media platforms. And I think isa siyang magandang halimbawa para sa ating global competitiveness dahil aware tayo, magaling yung Pilipino to handle social informations or social platforms like that. Sobrang dali natin mag-cope up, sobrang dali natin matutunan yung mga applications. For the last part of our slide, can we all just read this Bill Gates statement or Bill Gates quote? Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. So, as you can see, si Bill Gates, sabi niya, technology is just a tool. Yeah, that's right. Technology can give us easy access, connects us, but at the end of this, sinabi niya the teacher is the most important. Same reason why dapat bata pa lang tinuturuan na yung mga learner to use proper usage of technology. Same as well with the netiquette. Sana i-apply nila yung mga kahit yung mga nasa honesty is the best policy, dapat gawin nila. Also, if we just leave technology on student or in just learner itself, it can lead to negatives. Andyan yung pornography, andyan yung online bullying, and so many more. Merong mga phishing. Madali kasing matutunan, lalo na ngayon. And just one search away, you can access a lot of websites, negative websites, or web na hindi talaga supported or hindi suggested for a student. Again, technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. But the teacher is the most important for all. Again, I am Mark Louis B. Apan. Thank you for listening and watching.
So that ends our discussion about educational technology, and thank you for your participation, everyone. We hope that you learned a lot in our discussion. And if you have some questions or clarifications, you can chat it in the chat box below. Thank you, everyone. Keep safe and God bless.